morning from Australia. I just want to invite you to take a moment. Just take in the waves, the sun, the sand. Just breathe. Just be here present, right here, right now. Invite the waves to carry away, to wash away anything and everything that's not serving you. Let the ocean purify, cleanse and clean your mind, your body, your heart, your energy, your life. This is a time for great purification. It's a time for letting go. Letting go of the old, saying yes to the new. A new way of being in relationship to nature, a new way of being in relationship to your life, a new way of being in relationship to what you would call yourself. It's time. You're ready. You got this. Breathe. Allow. Say yes. And let the waves carry you into a new life, a new era, a new way of being. So it is.